Why, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today it's fourth finger on the viola. I know, scary times, right? But Suzuki Viola Book 1 has it earlier than the violin books. Go figure, I don't know. So let's push ourselves. Let's try it. So here we go. What is fourth finger? Okay, fourth finger basically is when your fourth finger on a string matches the open string above. Okay, so we're bridging. It's the same pitch. So here, D string, D 1 2 3 4. That 4 is the same as open A. Okay, same pitch. What's the spacing? Okay, so I'll show you sideways here. D 1 2 3 and 4. So we're gonna have space, space, close, space. Okay. There, lots of different angles. Okay. You're gonna also notice that look at my pinky is a low arch. I know, right? Everybody obsesses. We want the tall arch, right? Don't worry about it. Okay. This is the best that the pinky can do. Look, the pinky is shorter than everybody else, so it's gonna have to settle for a lower arch, and that's okay. Right? What we don't want is this. We don't want it flat because that's hard to lift and slow. Okay? As long as we have a gentle little arch, we can tap, 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 tap. Okay? Alright, so that's addressing that issue. I always thought I needed to have a tall arch, and no, don't worry about it. Okay? So here we go. Pizzicato exercise, and I'll show you here. What they want is a first finger D string tunnel over the A. So we're going to do 1, A, 1. Okay, now we're going to match that open A with fourth finger this time. So 1, 4, 4, 1, ready, go. 1, 4, 4, 1. Okay, so now let's alternate back and forth. 1, A, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, and repeat. Ready, and 1, A, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, A, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1. Okay. Okay, that's tricky enough. All right, let's go on to the next little section that's going to be for the A string. Okay, so we're just going to be moving over to 1 and then 4, 4, 1. Okay, here we go. Let's try that. Ready, and 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1. If you're having trouble finding the 4, you can always do, lay your fingers out, make sure you got the right place, mark it if you have to. Or think about Twinkle Twinkle starting on the A string. So it's going to be A, E, E. Right, little star. Okay? Fine. So that's how we kind of find our fourth finger there on the A string, a little tricky. So let's try those exercises now up here. Okay? So back to the D string. First finger. 1, A, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1 with the repeat. Ready, go. 1, A, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, A, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1. Okay. Let's try the A string one. 1, 4, 4, 1. Ready, and 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1. Alright, let's try those with the bow now. Okay? So D string 1 to 4 and then A string 1 to 4. So 1, A, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, ready, go. 1, A, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, A, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1. Alright, that's a stretch. Here we go. So 1, 4, 4, 1, ready, and 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1. Alright, so practice that. Give it some time. Fourth fingers are, smallest finger, oftentimes our weakest finger, so we might need to kind of do some guitar style, really some introspection and sing control, pinky move please, and you might have to actually place it there. It'll get stronger and stronger and will be better and better. So do this exercise, you'll be there. Now, the next line is also really a good one because this one we actually get to build up our fingers. So we get to do D 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 D 1 2 3 4, right? Up and down, up and down. Okay, so we do that a total of 4 times. Okay, so I'll do the plucking here. Ready, and D1 2 3 4 3 2 1. 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 So we're like programming our fingers, you see. Now let's try that on the A string. Same spacing. So A 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. Ready, 4 times. Go. A 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. 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 All right. Okay, let's try that up here. Okay, thumbs, pointer fingers, pizzicato, D string. Ready, 4 times. Go. D1 2 3 4 3 2 1. 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 A string, 4 times. Ready, go. A 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. 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 And you're going to notice that I'm really keeping my fingers down until I have to peel away. Okay. All right. Bow. Let's do those stairs up and down with the bow now. Okay. Here we go. 1 2, D string, go. D1 2 3 4 3 2 1. 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 A string. Ready, go. A 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. 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 Now, of course, you can always practice those faster. Okay, so challenge yourself. Okay, if you can do D1 2 3 4 3 2 1. And A string. Okay, the smaller your movements here, lifting from the knuckle, first knuckle there, you're going to be faster and faster. Okay, so what do you think? This is a tricky one, but also a cool one because we get to finally use those pinkies. And sometimes we use 4th finger for technical reasons. Like, it actually, believe it or not, sometimes it's easier. I know when I was a student, it's like, this is so much harder. What are we doing? Sometimes it's easier, and other times we kind of want that sound. We want a 4 instead of a 4. Ooh, that really bright open A sound. We don't want that oftentimes, so we'll use a 4th finger for artistic reasons. All right, so give these a good practice because we're going to be using it in Long, Long Ago up next. See you there.